Hi, I'm Chris, an engineer with Duke Energy One. Welcome to another episode of Engineer versus Algorithm, where we'll be putting my industry know-how to the test against an AI chatbot. Everyone, meet Al.
Hello again.
Here's our question. What are the signs my commercial backup generator needs to be replaced?
There are some clear signs your generator might be nearing the end of its life and could need replacing. Frequent breakdowns or repairs, excessive hours of operation, inconsistent performance, slow startup or failure to start handling full load, excessive fuel,
First up, emission rules can be a deal breaker. Older systems are often grandfathered in as long as they stay in the same physical location, but you move them and you'll be looking at upgrades or even a full replacement. At that point, older engines might not meet today's emission standards, depending on their location, no matter what you do. Whoa, Al, easy fella. If your generator's getting old, swapping out parts might not be enough. If repairs cost more than 60% of a new engine, it's usually time for a full replacement. Bottom line, if something's hurting your generator's reliability during an outage, it's time to think seriously about an upgrade. Okay, Al, you gave us a ton of information, but it didn't really help step back and see the bigger picture. And for that, I give you a grade passable.
I can do better.
Remember, in an outage, your backup generator is not only keeping your lights on, it's keeping you in business. Context matters. Get information you can trust from those you know, like me, and reach out to our expert energy services team when you've got questions.